Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are discuss about the topic posology, in that factors influencing the veterinary dose of a drug from pharmaceutics to. The topics to be covered from this presentation are as follows. Introduction to posology, that is veterinary dose, means dose and dosage of a drugs given to animals and the factors influencing on veterinary dose. The veterinary doses means it is also involved in the posology, that means the dose of a drug given to the animals. The doses required for the animals are the higher than human beings because the body weight and the surface area of animals is normally more than that of the human beings. The doses are normally applicable to all the species except in certain exceptional cases. The factors affecting on the dose of a drug in animals are as follows. There are total 12 factors, which are: first one, age, then sex, body weight and size, time of administration, route of administration, environmental condition, habit, rate of elimination, effect of a drug, purpose of a medication, species and character of the drug. So let us discuss all the factors in detail. First factor, that is age. Young animals need less dose of a drug as compared to adults because young animals are more susceptible than adults. The age of an animal could be a predisposing factor to diseases. Neonates have higher tendency to be infected than their adult. This is due to the fact their cell-mediated immunity and humoral immunity is still developing. Second factor is a sex. Sex play an important role in prescribing the dose for animals. The female may require the less dose than the male animals. Certain drugs are contraindicated in pregnant animals because of hazards of including abortion. Some drugs have tendency to pass into the milk, which becomes unfit for human consumption. Such drugs, it must be used carefully when administered in milch animals. The body weight and size. The dose of the drug in a case of animals, it depends on their body weight and size. The size of animals varies according to its breeds. For an example, in case of a dog, a dose which may be harmless for a heavy breed of a dog, it may be dangerous to dogs of a lighter breed. Then fourth factor is the time of administration. A small dose of a drug, it may be more effective if given in an empty stomach rather than the same when given after meals. The purgative and the anthelmintics are the more effective when given in an empty stomach. Similarly, the hypnotics are more effective when given after sunset than given early in the morning. Fifth one, that is a route of administration. The dose of the same drug varies with the use of the different routes of administration. The maximum dose is required when the drug is given orally. The minimum dose is needed when the drug is administered by intravenous route. The following order is observed while administering the dose of the same drug by different routes. That is, oral is having the greater absorption than the SC, means subcutaneous route, which is having the greater absorption than the IM, means intramuscular route, which is having the greater absorption than the IV, means intravenous route. next factor is the environmental conditions. The atmospheric moisture and the temperature have a great influence on the animal tissues. In rainy season, when the climate is quite humid and hot, the less dose is required than in winter when the climate is dry and cold. Then seventh factor is a habit. An animal which is constantly under the influence of a drug, it may develop tolerance for that drug. In such animals, the normal dose may fail to produce the desired effect. Hence, the larger the doses are required to produce the required effect. The eighth factor is the rate of elimination. The rate of excretion of a drug has marked effect on the dose of the drug. The drugs which are excreted at a faster rate, it require larger doses than those drugs which are excreted at a slow rate. Effect of drug. When the two drugs have the similar type of pharmacological action are given in a combination, the effect will become more powerful than the individual drug even given in an equivalent dose. But many times when the two or more drugs are combined together, they oppose the effect of each other and the ultimate therapeutic effect is decreased. Then the purpose of medication. The dose of a drug varies with the purpose for which it is used. For an example, the magnesium sulfate acts as purgative in large doses, but in smaller doses it acts as an antacid and a laxative. Then next factor is a species. The dose of a drug varies from species to species. The dose of a drug for a cow will be different from horse, sheep, pig, cat, etc. Opium is a narcotic even then it produces the excitement in horse and cattle, but it shows the narcosis in dog. These differences in action are due to the anatomical and physiological peculiarities. Then last factor for the which is affecting on the dose of a drug in an animal, that is the character of the drug. The larger the doses of a drug are required if it given in a crude form to the animals. For an example, the nux vomica powder is required to be given in large doses than its active constituent strychnine alkaloid, which is given in a smaller doses. Next, that is the learning outcomes from this chapter topic posology. That are, what is a posology? Means veterinary dose, especially for the animals, and the factors influencing on a veterinary dose. Thank you.